Hi everyone, welcome to one more video of Special Biotonic. Students, we know that in human, sexes are separate, that is, male is different from female. So the organism in which sexes are separate are called as unisexual organism or dioecious organisms. Now in case of Hydra, a single Hydra shows both testes and ovaries. Therefore, we can call Hydra as bisexual animal or hermaphrodite animal. Earthworm is also example of bisexual organism. Students, we can define fusion of male and female gamete to form zygote as fertilization, which is also termed as amphimixis. Now, sexually reproducing animal shows two phases in their life cycle. One is juvenile phase and second is reproductive phase. In juvenile phase, there is a physical growth of an organism. Animal cannot produce sexually in this phase. The second phase is attained after attaining the physical growth. In this phase, animal can reproduce sexually. The onset of sexual life is termed as puberty. It is not same in both sexes of human. Male matures at the age of 14 to 15, whereas the female matures at the age of 9 to 12. If you see the breeding pattern of animals, it is not same for all the animals. In case of animals such as sheep, goat, breeding takes place only once in a year. Such animals are termed as seasonal breeders. In case of human and apes, breeding occurs throughout the year. So human is said to be continuous breeder, and that is the reason why all maternity hospitals are busy throughout the year. Sexual reproduction involves multiple steps such as gametogenesis, insemination, fertilization, embryogenesis, gestation, and parturition. Gametogenesis is a formation of gametes. It is spermatogenesis in male, whereas oogenesis in female. Insemination is insertion of sperm into the female reproductive system to facilitate fertilization process. As we said earlier, fertilization is fusion of male and female gamete to form the zygote. This zygote undergo sequential steps to form the embryo. It is called as embryogenesis. The duration from zygote formation to the delivery of the baby is called as gestation period. It is 9 months, 9 days for human, and the delivery of the baby is actually called as parturition. In reproductive system, the organ which produces gametes are termed as primary sex organs. So testes in male and ovaries in female are called as primary sex organs. All organs other than testes and ovaries are termed as secondary sex organs. In human, there are certain changes which occurs during the puberty. So the characters shown by the individual after attaining the sexual maturity are termed as secondary sexual characters. The male shows secondary sexual characters such as development of mustaches, beard, hairs on chest and underarms, and even around the genitalia. Even the voice becomes low pitch. In case of female, the secondary sexual character involves onset of menstrual cycle, high pitch voice, development of breast, pelvis become broader, hairs around the genitalia and underarms. So students, I hope you are understanding the basic terms required for understanding reproduction in human. We will discuss male reproductive system in my next video. At the end, I request you all to like my channel, share it and subscribe it. Stay home, stay safe. Bye for now.